Okay, what is up, guys? Today, I have something to talk about. So, this isn't really gonna be gameplay or anything like that oriented. Uh, I just want to kind of talk about something. So, as many of you guys know, uh, in Overwatch, there is an update coming. Well, it's already in the PTR. Um, so what this update adds, currently, just so you guys know, I'm not in PTR. I just couldn't get it downloaded yet. Um, so what this update is, it changes Lucio a lot. So one of the couple things that he gets changed is his healing gets 50% higher, which is amazing. It's a great buff that I feel like he really actually needed too, because the healing he does right now, this is amped up. It's not amped up anymore, but it's tiny. You can just punch him to death after trying to do anything against him. But yeah, so that's not so great right now, and I think that's a great buff. But it's the update's not all good. And also one thing it adds is it changes his the range of how far he can well, his aura goes. Sorry about that. Couldn't talk very well. The range of his aura, or basically how long he can heal slash damage boost. So, currently, let's see, I am 20 meters away from those guys. Once I get back, I can heal them from here. Well, and it even goes farther than that. It goes to 30 meters. So another two of those things. Which is quite a large area, but again, remember that his healing is fairly low. But, so what they did is they changed the huge distances. Basically, I would say, to about here to there, to here to here. I would only be able to heal him from this distance. This distance is tiny. Okay, from this distance, Mercy can heal. Mercy can heal from 25 meters too. So the fact that Mercy, a single person healer, can stand this far away, and she can heal farther than a AoE healer. We're not going to talk about Ana because obviously Ana is a long range, but this is not part of Mercy, so I just find it kind of strange that Lucio can't heal as long as Mercy. And yeah, it's just so small. And one of the things that this update also wanted to do was to make Lucio funner. And so they made his wall ride 30% faster, which is pretty cool. I don't actually think it's much of a needed update, but it probably would make him a little bit funner. So, as you can see, I'm pretty terrible at wall riding, but yeah, that would be kind of fun to play around with and stuff, and probably be useful in some games actually. But thing is, if you're trying to, one of the nice things about wall riding is, wow, is that you can wall ride with making yourself a harder target to hit and having a little bit of fun playing Lucio, because and still doing something for the team because the distance that he can heal from, which is like there to there. But if you can only heal or a circle like from here to there, yeah, wall riding, I can wall ride here, that's all. If it was, if it's what's right now, I can heal from all the way over here, I can go over here and heal, go just over here, but if I'm literally, I can go over here and heal, but no farther than that. It's just strange to me. It makes it less scenarios that you can actually wall ride, which is the funnest part of this character. Um, Another update, which I have no problem with at all, is the update to his gun. It's not an extreme update, but basically what it does is the speed of his projectiles on his weapons goes from 40 to 50. So it's a little bit of an increase, not much, but I mean, his projectiles are pretty slow, so that would be pretty nice actually. But yeah. So that is my opinion on each of the different updates for him. I feel like but in this part of the video, I actually want to talk about what I think they can do as an update for Lucio to fix this. So I feel like wall ride can stay. Wall ride can stay. Maybe I don't know. Oh, also I was thinking about the wall ride. You get a little bit of boost of speed after you're done. But so wall ride can stay. That's fine. Like the speed for wall ride. And the main thing I want to touch on is what you can do with the aura distance. So I feel like from 10 meters, or maybe even 5 meters, you get the 50% extra healing. But if you go anywhere across that, you can still heal and affect your teammates with the little aura, but it goes back to what it currently is. Because I mean, otherwise it's just terrible. It makes no sense. So people are some more information about this is some people are arguing that this makes you have to think a little bit more, be a little bit more careful. But really, yeah, okay, yes, a little bit, but it also just kind of makes the character less fun. You can't, if you want to really do have some fun with wall riding, you can't. This is how it takes me a couple seconds before I have to come back to my guys to heal them up. It's just terrible. I really don't understand what they thought was going to happen with this thing. A lot of people are looking at this and saying, "Oh yeah, this is great. It's going to make it much funner, more fun." No, is that the word? God, I'm terrible grammar. Don't blame me. Much more entertaining, I guess, character to play. But really, I feel like people who actually play Lucio a lot, once this comes out into live and people start really trying to use him in competitive play and things like that, you're just not going to be able to do anything about it, really. If you don't know, the middle part right there, and right below the, I don't remember what it's called, right before where you aim, right below that, it says how many people are affected by your aura. So, if you can see, at distance, I lose out on those two guys. Yeah. It's a little bit wonky, but see from this distance. But yeah, it would be shorted to like here. To heal up the guys right there. So yeah. So yeah, that's just my opinion on the new updates for Lucio. I'll try to get some gameplay out for him too. But another thing I want to talk about really quick is I want to say sorry that I wasn't getting any videos up recently. I was sick. I was not feeling very well, so wasn't really feeling the best mood to make some videos. But well, also, as you can see, as you can hear, I have a little bit of congestion left with that. So yeah. Well, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe if you guys want to see more, and see you guys in the next one. Bye. Have a good one. Peace.